Good morning everyone, my name is Eric Chandler Pina Bulawin. This AD, Math 1B. So today our topic is geometric means, arithmetic means, inverse, linear equation, mean, median, and mode. So that's my topic guys no. So we will discuss later on. So we will discuss our geometric means. So geometric means 2. Insert 2 geometric means between 3 and 24. So our given is 3 and 24. So our given a sub 1 is our 3 a sub 1. So ang kanang blanco da guys mo na siya ang a sub 2 a sub 3 a sub 4. So ang n nato is 4 kay total numbers man nato is tanan sa given is 4. So 1 2 3 4. So a sub 4 is 24. So we need to find the r. So this is the formula guys no. A sub n equals a sub 1 r power of n minus 1. So r a sub n is 24 no. So a equals 3 r a sub ang a nato is 4 ay 3, so that's why we change that 3. So r minus ang n minus 1 nato guys no is kanang 4 man atong kuan n, so that's why 4 the power of 4 minus 1. So substitute nato guys no. So ang a nato is 24, so that's why 24 and cancel the 3. So mabili na lang ang r r power of 3. So r geometric, so makancel pa siya guys no. Square root nato siya, square root cubic 3 cube root 8 equals 3 cube r 3. So makancel ang kuan, so that's why 2 na mabili no. So that's why 2 r. So r, so that's r is 2. So we need to 3x. So 2 times 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. So 12 times. Today we will discuss arithmetic means. So arithmetic means, insert the indicated numbers of arithmetic means. So our given guys now is 6 blank 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 22. So our a sub 1 is 6, a sub 2 is kanang blank first blank, a sub 3 is second blank, a sub 4 is ang fourth blank, ang a sub 5 is 22. So mo na siya atong given guys no. Ay formula, a sub 1 minus a sub n minus equal a sub 1 plus quantity of n minus 1 d. So our a sub 1 is a sub n is 5. So that's why 5 na siya guys no. Equal 6. Ang a nato guys, a sub 1 is 6 plus quantity of 5. Ang n man nato guys is 5. So that's why 5 na siya, minus 1 over d. So after na is our a nato guys is 22. So that's why change na nato sa 22. Substitute na siya guys, dapat na substitute na. So ang equals 6 plus 4d. So additive inverse nato ang kuan, ang 6 para mabalance siya sa to change siya sa pikas. So 22 minus 6 is 16. So equal d. Then na siya guys no, over 4. Na siyang ma-divide pa mo siya sa 4 guys. So divide 4, so makancel na niya siya ang kanang 4d. So cancel our 4 equal d. So na siya guys no, 6 plus 4 10 10 plus 4 14, 10 plus Ay 14 plus 4 is 18. That's all. Thank you. So good day, bro. So good day. So today we will discuss inverse. Inverse. So our given is y equal 2x plus 1. So y, copy the given, and y equals 2x plus 1. So we need to change that y into x. So that's why our x equals 2y plus 1. So we use to additive inverse to para mabalhin na to ang to change the x. So that's why 2y equals x plus minus 1. So minus 1 na siya guys ha. So cancel that 2. That's why our f of x is y equals x minus 2 over minus 1 over 2. So that's why y power of negative 1 equals 2 minus 1 over x. So good day. Today we will discuss about linear equation. So linear equation. Linear equation, our formula is m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So that's our slope. So when our given is 2, negative 3, 4, positive 5. So our x sub 1 is 2. Our x sub y is x sub y sub 1 are negative 3. Our x sub 2 is 4. Our y sub 2 is 5. So m. So our y sub 2 is 5 minus y sub 1. So our y sub 1 is negative 3. So 4 over x sub 2. Our x sub 2 is 4. Our x sub 1 is 2. So next. So substitute that all. So 5 minus quantity of negative 3, that's 8. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So that's why it's 8 over 2. Or divide. So we need to divide that because our given is we need to divide. So that's 4. Next, our slope is 4. So good day everyone. So today we will discuss our mean. So we will discuss a mean. So add up all data points and then divide by the total number of numbers. So our given is 4, 2, 8, 7, 5, 5, 3. So we need to add that all. So add 4 plus 2 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3. So equal is 34. So our total numbers is 7. So we need to divide that into 7. So 34 divided 7. So 4.85. So our mean is 4.85. Next. So we will discuss a median. So median is the middle of the set of numbers. So the middle sa tunga guys, no, sa tunga. Next. So our given is 4, 2, 8, 7, 5, 5, 3. So arrange data in numerical numbers. We need to arrange that in order. So the arrange in order is 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 7, 8. 7, 8. So the median is the middle of value. So the middle of value of median is 5. So that's 5. So our median is 5. Next, we will discuss about mode. So mode. The mode is the most common numbers in a data set. So our given is 4, 2, 8, 7, 5, 5, 3. So 4, 2, 8, 7, 5, 5, 3. So the most number is like nabalik-balik bitaw guys, nabalik-balik. So 5 is upper twice, so that's is 5. So kadua siya ni balik guys, no. So our mode is 5. So that's all. Thank you.